everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pam, Pamela's Creations, and here today I'm going to be doing a project share in this little tutorial on one of the items I have made from Beebeecraft. They also have a YouTube program where if you have 100 subscribers or more, you'll be able to participate in their program. You just got to apply for it. I will link Beebeecraft's YouTube program down below in the description box. So if you do have 100 subscribers, just fill out the information and they will get a hold of you and set up what you need to do, and they'll get that product right out to you. There's requirements though. You need to do a box opening and send them a video, and then you need to do 2 other videos of the product that you made, like a tutorial, a project share tutorial. So that's it. Pretty simple stuff. And I also have my coupon code down below. It's PAM5. I will run it across the screen here. To save, if you spend $40 or more, you save $5. So let's get into what I made and show you. This will be the first product that I've done. I'll do 2 videos. The second one will be out in a day or 2, tomorrow or the next day. So I'll show you what I made. So I made, let's see here, these here. Let me put them up here. I made these little ornaments. Can you see them there? Made these ornaments. Fun to do. I found these on Pinterest. Very simple. A lot of fun. Look at that one. That's my favorite. I got glue in between my fingers, behind my fingernails. Sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, this is what I made. I made a total of, well, I thought I made 10, but apparently I have to be different and made 9. I don't know why. But I made 9 of them. And I used the chain they sent me. I used my beads from Hobby Lobby, my trim beads. And then this cord I got from Michael's. And my little, hopefully this won't dump, my glue-on bales. You can see that. Yeah, my glue-on bales. So that is the first item I made, and I just used some stiff felt that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I used these stickers that I got. This was in a haul I did a while back. So yeah, yeah. So let's see what else. Oh yeah. So I can't find any stiff felt in my area, so I got it at Hobby Lobby. So this is the square I'll be working on. You don't want the adhesive kind. You want the one that just the regular stiff felt. The soft felt won't work either. So, and then the next item I made was these beautiful, I like them, tassels with the chain. I made 4 tassels with the stiff felt, my beads, except this time I used my pink ones here, trim from Hobby Lobby. And I used some Fabri-Tac on both. So I made 4. And then I put some stickles on it. Is that glaring okay? Can you see that? I put that on the top. Still drying. And then I use the elastic cord on that as well. So these are the projects I made with that chain. And I would just put these probably on some presents. It's kind of like, this ones are kind of like shabby chic, maybe a little bit. And then, yeah, so those are my, so what I did is I cut this 3 inches across, 2 inches down, and then right here, 1/2 inch across. And then I cut up like that in strips. And then folded it with the string in it and it glued. Well, I put glue and then I folded it. That's what I did with that. We'll make one of these. And you could put these on trees as gifts, whatever. And I just loved it. I thought they were so pretty. I also found these on Pinterest too. YouTube has some great videos out there. But I thought these were so cute. And I love how I put the stickles on the top. Worked out perfectly. So, let me clear this out and we'll get started on it. So I'll pause you just for a second. Alright everyone, I'm back. So we're going to pick one of these awesome little stickers. So, let's take this one. Okay. Then we're going to put it on our felt, but first I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac here, okay? What I'm going to do is I take a toothpick here and I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac. Okay. And I'm going to, let's see here. Right there. I'm just going to kind of glue around the circle like so. Yeah, I don't have to be straight. You don't want to, kind of want to move it away. That way the glue doesn't get on your sticker, because there's a, I've done that, and yeah, it kind of, it's hard to get off. You have to wait for it dry, and then you gotta wipe it off and whatnot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our chain here, and you kind of want to put like 3 down at a time, because it's hard to, sometimes it flips over. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of lay it down. Let me get you guys further down. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of push it down. Get my toothpick here. Just kind of a little bit at a time. Keep spooling out your just kind of just tap it around. then just kind of move it around. Okay, so I'm going to add a little tiny piece there. Let us dry a little bit. And I'll be right back. Alright, there you go. That's what it looks like so far. Now I'll wipe this part off too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a second chain, oh, got kink there, around, and I will do that off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, now that I'm back, I got both of them on there, and it's somewhat dried, so I think we're okay to move on. Now I'm gonna just put some trim around the chain here, and that, you take your Fabri-Tac and you just start gluing around like so. It's okay if you get out of the circle, it dries fast anyway. Okay, make sure you put your lid back on, and you take your trim, which I love this trim, by the way, and I love this chain I got from Beebeecraft, and you just kind of just start like this, just pull it down like so, around, keep going around like this, pull that in a little bit. And we're going to cut it right there. Get my scissors. Oops. Let's see, I think that's it there. And then we just pull it in like that. So there's that. And a little thing got across there. So what you think? So normally you would let it sit and dry, but I want to get this video going, so let's do this. What we're gonna do is you gotta take some, hang on here a second, something's, okay, there we go. So we're gonna take some good scissors, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut very carefully. I'm gonna cut around first. Okay, put that out of the way. And then I'm going to carefully, very carefully cut. Like so. I'm gonna just kind of spread it out a little bit, like so. All right, there you go. So there's that. And so what we're gonna do, because it's gotta dry still, but that's okay, is we're going to put a bail on it. So this is where I got it from. I think it was the Etsy store. And then just gonna put a little fabric tack on the back. Oops. Make sure I'm in frame here. And then we're going to take our bail and we're just going to adjust it so it's straight. I just kind of go like this here. Just kind of move it over a little. Right, there you go. Now you got a cute little gift that you can add to a package, put on a tree, whatever you want to do. Tassels. Okay, and then the ones I made. And then you just add your cord or yarn string or eyelash yarn or whatever you want to put on it. So I'm going to let mine dry and then I will add that on later. So now I've got 10. All right, guys, can you, I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so tell me what you all think. I'm going to leave all the stuff that I got from Beebeecraft down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment on this Beebeecraft tutorial and tell me what you think. So yeah, everybody take care of yourselves, be safe out there, and God bless.